How to fix your Wealthfront transfer stuck for days. So in here, the very first thing that I recommend you guys do is verify the settlement windows. So standard ACH transfer takes about 3 to 5 business days to clear. So what you can do is wire transfers clear same day or next business day. So after doing that, the second thing that you can do is ensure your linked fundings account had sufficient funds at the time and the transfer initiated. So after doing all of these, if it's still not working, then the very final thing that I recommend you guys do is simply reach out to the customer service. For that, you can simply get through the browser. In there you'll be able to see it, or you can simply get that online very easily. Simply get their number or email address and then contact them explaining all of your problem. I'm pretty sure that they will be able to help you out. And that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.